Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. ERD received this Helvar transistor dimmer for repair off of a cruise ship from a large cruise liner customer. This dimmer control is used in a full rack system and one of the many entertainment areas aboard the ship. The unit needed a complete rebuild, which after, we were able to verify the unit's full operation. Our video also shows that we checked all of the menus with the dimmer's controls as well. At ERD, we have worked on a broad range of electronics and controls, with these lighting systems being an example. So if you have any questions on whether ERD can help you, reach out for a quote today.